beauties, thank you for stopping by here in my channel Beautyjay, and I have such a great video for you guys today, and I hope you guys really like it. It's about the trends for this spring and summer 2018. I am really excited for this because I looked at so many articles, at so many pictures and everything, trying to put together kind of like even what I like. There is some of them that, you know what, even if I don't like them, I will mention them just because that is in style and that is trending. But not necessarily do I like all of them, but I will tell you some of them I did try and they definitely don't go with my style. But hey, for the purpose of informing you, I will do anything. Literally. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet, and to turn on the little bell so you receive the notifications when I upload new videos. We are going to start with our first trend, and they are these shorts. But not only these shorts, also the color pink that comes back every year during spring and summer. But these shorts are definitely style. You're gonna see them a lot in stores. And next we have color blocking, which in this instant we're gonna see the combination of red and hot pink, which I don't think it looks bad. What do you think? And we cannot go through spring without using the maxi dress with the floral print, or in this case the rompers that are definitely in style. And for me, I really love this one because we also know the pastels colors come back, like this yellow, the light pink, the purple, light purple, and light blue, and all of that. And well, the checkers are coming back, and I didn't necessarily find a shirt that I liked, but I did find a bathing suit. So I am just showing you guys kind of what it looks like, and that is you're gonna see this in a lot of shirts and also in like the gray tones. And next we have this strappy dress, and you will see the style right now is wearing that white shirt under, and it's kind of like sporty, so I decided to wear the shoes. I kind of like how it looks, but it's not something I will normally wear. It's something that doesn't really go with me, I feel. The next trend is, of course, the ripped jeans. But not only that, like you guys can see here, I'm wearing two different colored jeans, like the jacket and the pants don't really match. Well, guys, that is in style right now. So I'm actually liking this one a lot. Beauties, and we cannot forget the transparencies, the polka dots, and of course this lovely shirt knots that we've been seeing around all over the places. And this, you could definitely do it at home. So my beauties, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what trend was your favorite and what trend you're kind of doubting that you'll do. Leave me the comment down below. Don't forget to share this video if you really enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you till next time. Bye.